stay forever young.
Hey guys, so in order to do this kind of glitch effect, what you're going to want to do is first go into the app noise and load your video. That's what I did. And then what you're going to do is in the top right of the screen, it will say next, and you'll just click on that and it will load it to the screen where you can add
I go to
effect.
change them.
Next, you're going to want to go to the first button on the bottom left, which says effect, and you're going to want to go over to the effect that says interleave, which is right here in the middle. Then bring it to the part of the video that you want the effect to be on, so I'm going to do it right where this transition is in order to get the transition. And then what you're going to do is put your phone and hold down on the video for the entirety of that transition until you have it all done. And so when it plays, you're going to get something like this.
Return them, and it's like,
and she was just rude.
So you can also do this in the middle of a clip too, so you guys can see this is kind of what it looks like. So if you just have two clips split and you don't have like that kind of like zooming or sliding effect that I had, it can just look something like this.
Again, for the second
instead, but this is pretty much how you get this glitchy transition effect, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Remember, I upload twice a week, so be sure to stay tuned for all my videos on Wednesdays and Fridays, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!